Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add music to your video using Canva. Now, let's begin. If you have not already opened Canva, do open it right now. On the top right button, next to the bell icon, you will see something like Create a Design. Simply click on it and scroll down to your required dimensions. Now that everything is opened, on the left hand side you will see something like Designs, Elements, Text, Brand, Uploads. Simply click on Uploads. Now upload the files. Select the audio and video you want to upload. Click Open. It's uploading. Once everything has been uploaded, simply click and drag the video of your need and adjust the aspect ratio. Once satisfied, simply click outside. Now to add the audio, click on the audio section, and from the audio section, simply choose the audio of your wish. Click and drag it to the bottom panel where you see something like Drop Music. You can also click on Duration to make your editing much more easier. You can drag the audio to your suited timings. And also you can adjust the audio. If you look at the top side, you will see something like Audio Effects, Adjust, Beat Sync. You can use these features as well to make sure your audio is of the optimum quality. And simply hit play. Well guys, that's how you add music to your Canva video. Hope you liked it. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.